what's up? So today, as you can see, I have a special guest who is no stranger to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. We've actually done several episodes together. He is my makeup artist, so he's done some makeup tutorials. But today is gonna be different. We are gonna tackle the internet slang challenge. All right, you guys, so before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future new episodes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so, boom.
Number neighbor?
Oh my God, I have no idea
I quit.
what this means.
Number neighbor?
No, quitting here. Number neighbor, I have never heard this at all.
Me neither.
Number neighbor? The only thing that I can think of is maybe, I don't know, like maybe you're like sitting next to a person that you like, and then you tell your friend, number neighbor, which is like, get his number.
Oh,
he's my neighbor.
That's good.
I don't know. Right? So picture the scenario, Anton. We're at a club.
Okay.
You're my friend.
Yeah.
And then there's a cute guy over there.
Okay.
And he's sitting right next to us, right? So he's a part of our conversation.
Okay.
And I'm
like adjacent to.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm nervous to ask him for his number.
All right.
So I go number neighbor.
Oh.
And then maybe you do it for me.
So that's my cue to like wingman it.
Yes, exactly.
And get the digit.
Yes.
I don't feel like it has anything to do with a neighbor.
Okay.
Or I feel like this is all code for something else.
So you think it's like a code? Like for what?
I don't know, like money? Maybe there's like money involved. Like,
oh, money.
Yeah, and it's.
Oh, lend me some money. Number neighbor.
Maybe that's where I'm trying to go with
yeah.
this. Come on.
What's the point?
I object. So I changed the last number in my cell phone and say hi number neighbor. Well, that's not creepy at all.
Is this a way to date? That's so odd to me. Would you ever do that?
No. All right, so for the next one, what's it say to you? I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, I don't know these. Extra.
Extra?
Extra? So this is slang.
Extra, I know.
Oh, wait a minute, I think I do know.
Yeah.
You're being so extra, like that.
That
Got
one,
it.
this is much less painful than the last
Oh,
one.
okay.
Yeah.
So you'd be like, stop being so extra.
Yeah, totally. That is extra
Yeah.
right there. I love that about you.
Thank you. I feel like I've used this.
Oh yeah, I feel like I use this a lot.
Definitely on my sister.
Yeah.
Stop being so extra.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this.
This ain't it, Chief.
This ain't it, Chief.
This ain't it, Chief.
I like the neck roll.
Well, there's a comma.
Oh,
So that was like my comma neck. This ain't it, Chief.
So this ain't it, Chief.
But I think that's just what it is. Like, this ain't it.
Maybe you're in an argument with one of your friends and you're like, this ain't it, Chief.
Or someone puts something on and you're like that ain't it, Chief.
We got it. Yes, we're doing good.
All right. 2 out of 3.
Yes! Ready?
WBK.
What? WBK.
Stuck. I can't get anything out.
WBK. But the things that I'm not too keen on are the texting stuff like
the
this.
shorthand.
Yeah. Like, it took me forever to understand what LMAO meant. So, and I knew LOL, you know,
Yeah.
but LMAO, I was like, what is that? But oh my gosh, I can't even figure this one out. Wheat, bacon, kale.
Wheat, bacon, kale. That
Wheat,
sounds
bacon,
good.
kale.
I think it's we be something.
We be knowing.
We be knowing?
We've been new.
We've been new, like K-N-E-W?
We've been new. Like, we know that already. We knew that.
I object to this one. K-N-E-W, like we already knew.
Yeah, we
We've
already
been
knew.
new, which isn't grammatically correct.
It's not.
So the internet can take it back, because we don't want it.
I can totally see that in a gossip chain. You know, like how people do like chain chats. What is it called?
The group text.
Group text.
Yeah.
I said chain chats. Wow.
Chain chat.
Group text.
I like chain chat.
Okay.
Are we moving on?
Moving on.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh yes.
Oh, she
All
knows.
about that sauce.
Oh, sauce.
Sauce is like.
All about that sauce.
Sauce is like.
Like
amazing.
attitude?
No,
Oh.
you know, sauce makes a bland chicken taste better.
Oh. So you're adding a little flavor to
Yes.
something.
Yes. Five years ago, it was swag,
Swag.
and now it's sauce.
Sauce. All
Okay.
right. What is it? Spilling tea.
Yeah.
Oh! This comes from yeah.
Yeah.
This comes from drag.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
spilling tea.
Yeah.
Like I mean, when you're talking about all the things. You're letting the facts out.
Spill it, honey. Spill the
Gossip.
tea.
It's gossip.
That's what it is.
I give you a key word
Yes.
from us, from the elders. Spilling tea would be gossip.
Yep. Yep. Or what
gossiping.
you do is you would take, if you don't want to say this, you would take a glass or a mug and pretend that you're drinking the tea and you just sip.
So then if you're sipping the
a
tea,
tea.
then you're listening to the person who's spilling the
Yeah,
tea.
tea.
And I'm over here like,
Yep.
like that.
We got that one. High five.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready, Anton.
Hmm?
Let's do it. Oh, this is so easy! I stand for Beyonce!
Oh, yeah.
Fanatic.
Yeah.
Fan. Biggest fan.
Yeah. Live for.
Die for.
Yes.
Yes, we're doing so well!
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Weird flex, but okay.
Oh, I do not know that. Well, when you flex, that means you are...
Like flexing your muscles?
No, Anton!
Or like flexing like.
Well, and you're trying to get attention, you know what I mean? You're
Yeah,
like...
thirsty.
Yeah.
Parched. So weird flex, like, okay, that was weird that you
Weird.
just did that, but
Yeah.
okay.
Like, you know, maybe you're on a date with a guy and, you know, he starts bragging or whatever about how much money he has or how many cars he has. Like, he's trying to flex on you, but that's weird. And,
Yeah.
you know, like, okay, and gross. Like, I don't need to know all that. I
Yeah.
need to know who you are as a person, not how much money you have or what kind of car you drive.
Well, now you know what kind of person they are.
Yeah.
Shallow.
Did we get it right?
Oh! That was a full description. So that was like half
Weird
a point.
flex, but okay. Like he was flexing on how many Q-tips he has. Yes, so we got the flex part right, but
Okay.
just the weird part, they're flexing on something accurately weird.
Yes. Interesting.
Have you ever dealt with somebody who did that?
I'm sure. I'm blocking it out right now.
You guys, comment below and share me your stories if you've ever experienced somebody flexing on you in a weird way. All right, Anton, what do you have for me?
Let me hit you with
or
this one.
us?
Let's see.
Oh my gosh, I do not know that.
Oh, I don't even want to look.
Sploot.
Sploot? Sploot.
Sploot.
I feel like that's how I want to say it.
I like the slang. What I'm used to hearing is, you know how when you read somebody, because that's slang, read somebody and you go bloop.
Okay, yeah, that's why I felt like I wanted to go
that,
sploot.
Yeah. Is it like that? Is it like finishing a read and you're like, yeah, man, I just nailed you. Sploot. Oh my God, so cute!
Oh my God, I should know that. My dog, that's literally the only way he lays.
A sploot.
A
Is it because
sploot.
he's splitting his legs? A sploot.
A sploot.
Oh my God, that's so
It's when a dog sits like a frog with its legs behind it.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute, a sploot.
I should have known that. All right.
All right, Anton,
Ready?
let's do it. Yes,
all right.
go.
What does it say?
OTP. Over there. Over there, please.
On the prowl?
Oh,
No.
that's pretty good.
It was
on
good,
the prowl.
but I think it's wrong.
Over there, no. OTP. I think it's on the prowl.
I said on the prowl.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's on the prowl. Let's go with that.
Let's go with on the prowl.
The one true pairing. Okay.
So it's your idea of a pairing that would make a perfect pair.
Like
two people that have never been, like that don't even necessarily know each other, that would make for a perfect pair in
maybe.
your head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, guys, in the comments below, let me know who you think is like the perfect OTP. I'm very curious to see what your answers are. Dab.
Dab?
Oh, dab.
What is she doing? Shh, I think she's right, but I don't know.
Dab.
Is it a dance move?
When you dab on them. Yeah. So it's like you stunting on them. Dab.
You used another slang word.
Hey. My son does that. My son goes.
Of course he does. This is his language we're trying to learn.
Yeah. So it's like, you're dabbing on them. You got an answer right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. No, I got it. Tia's like, why did I pick you to do this with me? You suck.
Right? Am I right?
All right. That was a good one.
Yeah.
She gets a point.
Yeah. Okay, boom.
Boop.
Boop.
Boop? Like bloop, but boop?
God. Boop.
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 B-O-O-P. Boop.
Boop, boop, boop.
Boop.
Well, I'm gonna go to that party anyway. Boop.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right?
No. You just want to like boop them because they're so cute.
Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh. So you want to boop the snoot?
The snoot, like the snout, like they just want to boop your snoot.
Oh, that's so cute.
Throw up. Ready?
Ready?
Is it happening?
Okay.
What's it saying?
Oh my God. I understand. Oh, that's easy.
Wait.
Keep it 100. That's how you say 100.
Oh, yeah.
Keep it 100.
Keep it 100.
You don't say 100, Anton.
100.
100. Keep it 100.
Keep it 100.
Yeah, and you got to make your mouth like that too. Keep it 100 means keep it real.
My facial muscles don't want to do that. So it's like keep it real?
Keep it 100.
Okay.
Keep it 100.
Okay.
Yay!
We did it.
Hey!
I give you credit for that one.
And go.
LGFM.
All of a sudden, it got real silent in here.
Silent. Let's go.
Fishing Monday.
Let's go for.
Let's go for a movie.
Let's go for a movie.
Let's go for a movie.
Ooh, that's cute.
Ooh.
Look good for me.
That's a nice text.
LGFM. It's like look
We're
good
about
for
to
me.
go on a date. Look good for me.
Cause we Gucci.
Yeah. Cause we Gucci.
LGFM. Look good for me. Okay.
I like
it.
that.
I don't hate
I
it.
will definitely be using that one. My brain hurts. Okay, ready? And go. Finna. Oh, that's easy. I'm finna. F-I-N-N-A. That means I'm going to. I'm about to. I'm finna work out.
Oh. It is? Like.
Yeah. You don't know that?
No.
I'm
like,
finna.
Like I'm finna go to the store?
Yeah. I'm finna.
Okay.
It's like slang.
Is that really what it is? Ding!
All right, Anton, here's for the big one. The big one. Ready, set, go.
WOAT. Oh, they were nice enough to put dots in between the letters for us, so now we know that it stands for something.
What is this?
Where? Where on?
What is this? Was it
Boat?
right? Goat? Okay.
How did you get goat from?
Goat.
That's smart. She's
Oh,
very
goat
brilliant.
means the greatest of all time.
What?
So what does W mean?
Oh, goat. The worst of all time?
The worst of all. Yeah!
I don't know if I deserve a
worst.
cheer for that.
No
Like, you gave me
way.
the breadcrumbs for sure. You led me to
Yes,
the
for
trail.
the worst of all time.
Okay. Which is our score? Woat.
Woat. Woat.
You don't want to be the woat.
Yeah. Yay!
You know what? We did what we could.
We did. I think we did well.
I think we did fine.
I think we killed it. I mean,
we
there
learned a
were-
lot.
Yeah, I think there were some that we didn't know.
Yeah,
but
there were some that could go away. But there were some that were educational.
Yeah. All right, you guys, so there were some cool words, right? And some not so cool slang words. Let me know in the comments below, which word would you ixnay from the language? It was so much fun having Anton here. And if you want to see more of Anton, make sure you check out our smoky eye tutorial video right there.